everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today you're taking a closer look at our 2023 Ram 2500 Bighorn. With just under 41,000 miles, this crew cab pickup truck does feature a 6.4-liter V8 engine. It is four-wheel drive and it does have a clean Carfax with one previous owner. In the front, you will find this Ram well equipped with high-intensity headlights with LED daytime running lights with fog lights integrated into the lower bumper, accompanied by front proximity sensors and front recovery hooks. Making our way down to the wheel and tire setup, you'll have a 20-inch alloy wheel wrapped up in a set of like-new tires, and we'll get into the exact tread depth of those tires and the brake pads here in just a moment. On the outside, you'll enjoy nice features like tow mirrors with turn signal indicators integrated into the back of the mirror cap with keyless entry. Looking inside, you'll be met with a black-on-black theme here with nice elements such as leather, off-white stitching, a little bit of fabric, brushed aluminum, and dark ash faux wood. As you can see, that's going to continue throughout the entire interior of this heavy-duty pickup truck. And located in the glove box of all of our vehicles, you will find the multi-point inspection sheet. Here you can see all the tires are 12/30 seconds all the way around, and the brake pads are new as well. And as you can see, everything else is green, ready to go for the next buyer. And guys, we do this so you don't have to put money into the wearable shortly after purchasing with All Things Automotive. Looking into the back seat, your passengers will have plenty of space, and they're going to enjoy nice features like a flow-through center console, storage on the driver and passenger seat, a fold-down cup holder, and underneath your all-weather floor mat here, you will have Ram storage bins. Making our way to the rear of this Ram Bighorn, you will notice the high-definition rear camera, all of your towing equipment, and rear proximity sensors. Your towing equipment does include a hitch receiver and 4 and 7-pin wiring. And if we open up the tailgate, you can see it does come equipped with a spray-in bed liner. Making our way to the driver door, you will notice all your powered options such as powered door locks, windows, and adjustable mirrors. Along with your power folding, you have power telescoping as well and some light controls. And to the left of the steering wheel, you have brightness and dimming controls for your center cluster and a general lamp selector. Upon startup, you can see just under 41,000 miles on this Ram 2500. And as far as steering wheel mounted controls are concerned, to the left you'll have a selector for your center screen and some phone pairing options. Of course, you can pair your phone via Bluetooth and be hands-free, and that includes smartphone integration, which will include Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And to the right, you'll have some cruise control options with a manual gear select. And bringing our attention to the center display, up top you will have some storage and a 12-volt output. Of course, you do have your 8-inch display here, complete with a high-definition rear camera with your towing and guidance lines. And as you can see, this Ram 2500 is equipped with onboard navigation, heated front seats, and a heated wheel. You can access your climate right here, as you can see. And as far as media and audio is concerned, you'll have your standard FM, AM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth connectivity. Down below, on either side, you'll have some simple radio controls with your 4 ways in the middle, followed up with your hard buttons here for your heated seats and your heated steering wheel. You also have dual automatic climate control. And to the left, you will have your dial style shifter with your 4-wheel drive selector. And as you can see, this Ram 2500 is equipped with your integrated trailer brake control with your gain controls. Other options up here will include traction control, tow haul, and front and rear proximity sensors. You can turn those on and off. In the middle, you will notice an open space here. You do have some storage down below. And you also have USB and USB-C chargers with an auxiliary for alternative audio. And if we lift up the center console here, you have the option for that middle rider. If not, you have a nice console here with plenty of storage, cup holders, and an armrest. And down below, you will have some lower storage, very convenient. Let's take a moment to look up top here. You will have your bright LED map lights and all your SOS services. So let's go ahead and take a moment to look under the hood. In the last portion of this video, this is where I'll go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this Ram. Keep in mind it is a pre-owned vehicle. None are perfect, but we do like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. Starting up front here, not a lot of stone chips. I don't see anything that will qualify as a stone chip, but I do see some minor scratches here in the front of the hood. Your high gloss black, part of the night edition here on the Ram, you will have black trim all the way around as far as your badging and front grille and your wheels, but your setup here is in good shape, no discoloration, no fading, along with your headlights here, no cracks, no condensation. And your fog lights are in good shape as well, all the way down to the lower bumper. You are going to have some paint chips down here and a little bit of wear and tear from being in the front, of course. Blemish there, blemish here. No curb rash on those alloy wheels. Badging is in good shape, no cracking, no peeling. Mirror cap here, really good shape, no discoloration, no fading. On the door handle, right behind here, minimal scuffing, that's what we like. You're gonna have some blemishes here on this trim, on this, it's actually a coating on the outer door. So a slight blemish there. Looking here, we're at the passenger side door card. As you can see, some discoloration here on the molding on the side of the door. But your fabric and your brushed aluminum and your dark ash faux wood is in good shape. Very clean inside, no rip stains, tears, or odors. Looking at the cloth seats, no discoloration, no staining. So really nice shape. Headliner's clear of any rips or stains as well. Take a moment to look in the back seat. All weather floor mats, really good shape. Your backing to the seats are in good shape. No stains or anything like that. No kick marks, no indentations from car seats. Let's go ahead and take a moment to look at the bed here. You are going to have some blemishes here on the passenger side bed. There's a scratch that is in the paint. Here's a blemish there that feels in the paint. And you are going to have some scarring on top of the bed rail from cargo. Let's go ahead and look at your tail lights. Nice and clear, no cracks, no condensation. Badging is good. You are going to have some scuffs here on the tailgate as well on top, and some scarring on the trim piece that runs the width of the tailgate. Bottom bumper, really good shape. You will have some scuffs here below, right by your towing equipment there. Other than that, really good shape. This tail light, no cracks, no condensation. No curb rash on this wheel. We're at the driver's side now. Small blemish here below the driver's side door handle in the rear. Again, some blemishes here on that coating on the outer door. You are going to have some paint chips here on the driver door handle here, as you can see. And ending up at the driver door mirror cap, very clean. If you have any questions, give us a call here at All Things Automotive. A few ways you can reach us. You can call us at 717-485-4224, hit option 3 for sales. Additionally, you can go to All Things Automotive and shop online 24/7. You can even get yourself pre-approved. It's super easy and it only takes 10 minutes of your time, guys. And make sure you ask your sales consultant about extended coverage because this Ram does qualify. So come on out and see us at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name's Trent. I hope you found this video informational. Thank you so much, guys. Please like and subscribe.